Hey guys, so here's an update on my October bookings for this year. It's 2022. I did a video earlier which I stated it was performing poorly or not to my expectation, and this is just a breakdown of those numbers. This is my listing. So far, I've had three reviews. They're all 5 star, so that's a good start. I have my pricing is it's set to smart pricing. I believe I have it from 195 to 150 per night. So it's gonna automatically adjust based on demand. I'm gonna switch over to the calendar and go through the October bookings. So here I had four total reservation. Three of them was 1 day. That's on the 1 day I make a total of 261.90. And here is the breakdown. The total per night was 120, and then I charge 150 cleaning fee. After after service fee and taxes and everything, I end up with 261.90. And on the 2 night, it's pretty similar. I end up with 371.30. I'm sorry, 378.30. So that brought my total for the month of October to around 11 or 1200. I'm gonna do a spreadsheet to go over the total gross and then take the expenses out to show my total net. So I put all the numbers into an Excel spreadsheet to make it easier. For the entire month of October, I made a total of 1164. That's from four reservation total. The cleaning fee is always 120. That's what I pay, but I charge 150, so there is always $30 extra. Now, I take that 30 and I put it aside for whenever I need to replace something or restock some kind of supply. So I don't really count it as profit, but for this spreadsheet, it's gonna be profit. So the total cleaning fee I pay is 480. My electric was 197 and water was 162. There's no gas in this area, so everything is electric, including the stove and heating. That's actually going to push the electric bill a little bit higher come December and January once it gets really cold, because the heating is going to have to be on all day long, whether or not we have guests. So it will probably go to 250 or closer to 300, which is going to bring, which I'm hoping by then I get more reservations, so it's not going to be a big deal. So after taking all the expenses out, I ended up with 323 in profit. So that's good. I didn't take a loss for the month, even though the reservation really wasn't good or what I was expecting. But let's say I had a mortgage, this would be I would be at a loss here because a mortgage on a property, this value would probably be seven, maybe 800 and change. So I would be down about 500, which again, it's not good. I just lucked out because I was able to pay for this cash and did the renovation myself. A lot of new Airbnb owners usually go with a mortgage, so this would be a big problem when you don't make enough to cover your expenses, including the mortgage. So now I'm hoping November does better because all of these reservation, at least the ones I've received reviews, which I believe it's three so far, they were all positive. So all 5 stars. So I'm hoping that helps in some way to make November a little bit better because 323 is not really worth all the time and effort that needs to be put into this. That's you can make that on almost any side gig in a day. But I'm hoping with a combination of the good reviews and it is kind of off season right now. Summer activities are over. There's no winter activities yet, but once it gets colder, there's going to be skiing and other winter activities. So I'm hoping a combination of both helps helps push this up in the coming month, whether it's November or December. I'm gonna do another update once November is over and compare that to October. And hopefully it's better. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will continue to make these videos as the month goes by, but I'm hoping to do more as I have time. So please like and subscribe if it's helpful to you because that's gonna help me out a little bit here.